Hi Rush fam, welcome to the channel. You know it's Rush the Discovery Boss, and we're here with another driving video. Remember to like, remember to comment, remember to subscribe. Subscribing is completely free. So it's another driving video. We're driving Molynes Road. We're on Molynes Road. Now passing Foss Ridge on the right. They're also developing a new building on the left. So that's Foss Ridge. So they're building a mega warehouse. I have some drone shots. We have birds on the left. Probably I'll put the link for the drone coverage of the Foss Ridge development in the comments. So we're on Molynes Road, a very busy road, one of the major thoroughfare in Kingston, and we're driving to Halfway Tree. So it's Molynes Road to Halfway Tree. That's the journey today. And I think this road should be 4-lane. I'm not gonna stop saying it. I'm not gonna stop advocating for it. You know, just as how they turn Constant Spring Road and Agley Park Road into 4 lanes, I think Molynes deserve 4 lanes as well, based on the volume of traffic, especially peak hours, morning, evening. I think some sections of the roadway is already wide enough, and in other cases, similar to what they did in other areas, is to buy some of the properties. I think there is adequate space for them to buy properties. This is the intersection of Molynes Road and Waltham Park Road. Getting closer to Halfway Tree, not a very far drive based on where we started from. Olympia Crown Hotel on the right, not sure if they're still in business. I always say they should repurpose that building, either, you know, redevelop into a better hotel or change it to an apartment complex, because I don't think anyone goes there anymore. Driving videos was something that we did a lot back in the days, whether it was a city drive, rain drive, community drive, night drive. So, you know, because the drone is down, we getting back to our roots, you know, and you do have persons who look out for these type of video. At least they'll be getting, you know, quite a few before we try, you know, diversify again back into some drone coverage. So it's good to be all around, good to have a versatile channel, a little bit for each person, because everyone doesn't like the same thing, you know. So most of Molynes Road, if not, yeah, most of, because when you get closer to Red Hills Road, you have a lot of houses on Molynes Road. But from Halfway Tree down to Boulevard, it's mainly commercial. You know, whether it's a car mart, whether it's some factory, whether it's some plaza. So similar to Agley Park Road, it's mainly commercial. I think Agley Park is 100 commercial, 100% commercial. Don't think any houses on Agley Park Road. But from here going down to Boulevard, just looking real quickly in my mind's eye, I think it's just probably 10 the most that's on Molynes Road, and probably in quick succession they'll probably buy out those and change them to commercial just the same. Alright, so we're basically in Halfway Tree, so we're approaching Molynes Road connecting to Eastwood Park. We're gonna go up to one of the busiest intersection right at the transport center. So you guys will see that. Then we take the right and go to the clock. Then we'll come back around. So that is the plan. I haven't done a driving video in Halfway Tree for the longest time. So I know most of you guys already know Halfway Tree. So for those who don't, this is basically where Halfway Tree starts. One of the busiest, if not the busiest town center in probably Jamaica. Right in the capital of Kingston. One thing with this stoplight right here, it's very short. So when you go on green, it lasts just a couple seconds, and then it's on red for the longest time. So this also continually backs up traffic on Molynes Road. I think they need to extend the green. Alright, so we made it through. I think it just went on amber. That's transport center on the left. That's the mega bus hub where the JUTC buses pick up and drop off. Then we have Jamaica Bank across the road. Sorry, Jamaica National Bank. And then we're gonna head around to the clock and just come back around. So welcome to Halfway Tree. NCV straight ahead along with the Halfway Tree clock. Alright guys, so as usual, thanks for clicking, thanks for watching. Almost finished with the video. Now right here, when I make this right, almost 10 out of 10 times you always have police here looking for people who's making this right turn in the wrong lane. So if you're in the left lane, you can't make a right. That's the left lane that was beside me. Ironically, they're not there today, but a lot of persons get tickets there because the right lane that I was in, you can go straight or you can make the right turn, but the lane to my left is supposed to be straight on it. So if I make the right turn, I've literally seen where it caused an accident because someone was going straight and they made the right turn. So police is usually there to ticket persons for that as well. So this is Agley Park Road. That's the major stoplight at Agley Park and Maxfield. We're gonna take the right, go around, and you know, we'll end the video. Yeah, we'll end the video when we go back around. But you know, just showing you guys just a quick glimpse of Halfway Tree. We know this is not a full tour, but it's just a quick drive from Molynes Road in Kingston to Halfway Tree, Kingston, Jamaica. You know, persons have said before that, you know, each day they look out for a video to watch. So I know you guys are not getting a video every day, but I'm gonna try give you guys a video as often as possible. You know, the content may vary, the location will vary, but I'm gonna work on it for you guys. The sun is very hot, you know. Probably I should have checked the temperature and let you guys know. But I'm sure it's probably over 35 degrees Celsius. Not sure if persons have vehicles and the AC is not working. I don't know they survive. Because even if you wind down the window, it's still burning up.